How to store leftover roast beef for freshness.
Hello, and welcome to our kitchen tips tutorial. Today, we're going to be tackling a common problem that many of us encounter: what to do with leftover roast beef. More importantly, how to store it so that it remains fresh and tasty for an extended period of time.
Why is proper storage important?
When it comes to food storage, proper methods are crucial not just for maintaining taste and texture, but also for safety. Incorrect storage of leftover meats can lead to the growth of harmful bacteria, which can cause foodborne illnesses. With roast beef, as with any other leftover meat, the key is to store it properly to ensure it remains safe to eat.
How to cool roast beef for storage.
Before storing your roast beef, ensure it cools down to room temperature. Never place hot roast beef directly in the refrigerator or freezer, as it can cause a rise in temperature and promote bacterial growth. It typically takes around 2 hours for roast beef to cool down. However, avoid leaving it out for more than 2 hours to prevent bacteria growth.
Refrigerating roast beef.
For short-term storage, refrigerating is your best bet. 1. Slice the roast beef into the portion sizes you think you'll need for future meals. 2. Place the slices in airtight containers or sealable plastic bags. Try to remove as much air as possible before sealing. 3. Label the containers or bags with the date. Roast beef will last for 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Remember, always keep your refrigerator temperature at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius.
Freezing roast beef for long-term storage.
If you're looking to store your roast beef for a longer period, the freezer is your friend. 1. Again, portion the roast beef as you see fit. 2. Wrap the portions tightly in aluminum foil or freezer paper, and then place them into airtight freezer bags. This double wrapping prevents freezer burn. 3. Label the bags with the date. Properly stored, roast beef can last 2 to 6 months in the freezer. Always ensure your freezer is set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius, or below. And there you have it. With these methods, you can easily store your leftover roast beef safely and effectively, ensuring that it stays fresh for as long as possible. Remember, the key to successful storage is rapid cooling, portioning, and sealing in airtight containers or bags. Now, you'll be able to enjoy your delicious roast beef leftovers for days, or even months to come. Happy cooking and eating!